This is what's gonna occur. This is how I'm gonna die. It's okay, I won't have to blow my goddamn head off. Which I've claimed to my mother, I believe to Amanda, and my father. First off, how would you suspect somebody who knows what guns are for? Definitely not shooting people. Okay, truly not for shooting people. No, instead, they are for killing food and protection. Okay. Hate my face. My face gets fat down there. I'm not skinny. I mean, that's not. It's that. God damn it. It's that fucking skin. I got jowls. I think they're nice because that means I've lost weight, Daddy. Oh yeah, about my proportionate murder in my brain. Are y'all listening? Sort of, I hope so. Okay. I'm gonna make like a cartoon effect. Put this cartoon effect in your brain. A black-eyed bitch. Her head is puffing, puffing, puffing up. And there's words, like little baby words, spilling out of both ears. And then her nose. And then her mouth. She's throwing up words. Blah. And then, boom! Her whole fucking head explodes. I'm not fucking around. I'm not fucking around. Okay? Only thing anybody's ever said that's even remotely nice about me is that I'm kind-hearted. Okay, I sleep in a fucking dog bed. Quite literally, a dog bed. I own 3 rescue pit mixes, 2 rescue small dogs. All which sleep in beds. Every fucking last cent of mine, I say last cent, I'm talking about after the bills are paid, goes to my babies. Rosie needs some pain medicine, don't you, baby? Him was 10 years old. I think he's 11, but around 2011. Yeah, he should be 11. Him a baby, he remember that? No, he don't remember it. He knows aspects, you know. I hope y'all got that cartoon. Oh, I poked my eyebrow through. Okay, that fucking cartoon effect in your brain. That's what's gonna happen. Okay, that is what's gonna fucking happen. Baby words.